Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and install Fortnite on your PC. Now to run Fortnite on your PC, first you need to download Epic Games Launcher. So for that you can open up your browser, and on your browser you can just easily search for Epic Games Download. Once you search for it, the first option, download Epic Games Launcher, click on it. From over here, click on download at the top right, but if it appears over here at the bottom, you can click on over here as well. Once you do that, your Epic Games installer will be downloaded. Once Epic Game installer is downloaded, you can go on your downloads folder and then double click on Epic Games installer and install it. And once you install your Epic Games launcher, you need to open up your Epic Games launcher and log in into your account. Once you do that, your Epic Games launcher is going to look just like this. Now from over here, you can click on the search store icon and search for Fortnite. But in my case, it's being displayed over here, so I will just click on it. Once I click on that, it's going to take me over here. Now my Epic Game Fortnite is already available on my library. So what I need to do is click on library. But in your case, it's going to show you get. So you need to click on get and get Fortnite. Once you get Fortnite, you can go on your library and over here you're going to find Fortnite. Now you just need to click on Fortnite and it'll start to install. And once it completes installing, you can open your Epic Games launcher and start playing Fortnite. So that is how you guys can install Fortnite on your PC. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.